Hey everyone, this is Dream from Where the Yokels Grow, and in today's video we are going to be planting potatoes in 10-gallon grow bags as part of the Patio to Plate Container Challenge. If you all are new here, welcome, and if you're returning, I'm so glad to see you again. Hey you all, let's get growing. So the potatoes we're going to be planting today, two of them I got at Lowe's, the big box store, and the other two I got from our local farmers market, Green Produce. So in this variety, can y'all see the variety? You get 5 for $4.98, and they are a red, white, and blue blend potato. I also bought a red Norland, which is one of my favorite potatoes. It's a red potato. Again, they were 5 plants for $4.98. I got Yukon Gold from Green's Produce, and I've got some more small red potatoes. I wanted to show you all something with potato seed starts when you get them. If you happen to get one, you open your package, whether you go to a farmer's market or wherever you buy them at, and you see how that has multiple things coming off of it? Do y'all see it? That means I have 1, 2, 3, 4 seed starts from one potato, and it's really easy and simple. Let me show you how to do it. Alright, sorry y'all, I had to adjust my camera. So you're going to take your potato, and just where that start is, just cut, and it looks like this when you're done. You see that? So when you plant it, you're going to plant it just like this. You'll see it? You're going to plant it straight down in the soil. So here we go. But there's 2. So right down the middle. And now there's 3. And this one makes 4. So as you can see, I now have 4 of the blue, which are actually purple potatoes, starts, seed starts. Okay y'all, you can see I filled up the bag about halfway full. See my hand moving up and down? And once I got it in there, I also put in a couple of tried and true handfuls of worm casting, because all soil needs worm casting. I also put in true organic bone meal for its phosphate and calcium, which is really, really, really good for your root vegetables. Potatoes particularly love it. I also put in, I think it's pronounced Espoma or Espoma. Organic Biotone Starter Plus, just to kind of help the roots kind of get going and do really well. As you can see, I haven't done anything yet, but once you get it in, I want you to mix it up. Mix it up. All right, let me show you the soil. Now I want to show you some things in the soil. Y'all see the soil? Okay, you can see the soil has kind of got lots of particle in that. It's just from the compost that they put into it. It wasn't completely broke down. Now, if you are not comfortable with those big parts, you could easily go and see, there's a giant rock in there. You want that out of there. You could easily go into Dollar Tree and get you one of their it's like a basket trash can, and then put this stuff in there and sift it away into another bucket. And it would be perfectly fine if you're comfortable with that. The potatoes we're going to plant in this bag are our Yukon Golds, and I'm only going to do 2 to a bag because this is a 10-gallon bag, and I don't feel that I would get enough potato production if I put more than 2 in there. Some people may say I could put more, but I'm comfortable with 2. So then we're going to fill the rest of the bag up with soil. Kind of stop for a moment, move it around. You make sure the bag gets full. Kind of pat it down just a little. Again, we don't need to stamp it. We don't want our soil to become compacted with our potatoes, because we want nice loose soil so that those potatoes, as they grow, can make tubers, which are your new potatoes. And just like that, it's done. Hey everyone, thanks for hanging out with me today. And if you found value in this video, please give it a like with a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button, because I plan from this point on to drop a new video Monday through Friday at noon, so you all can see all the changes that are taking place and what we're planning and how it's changing and just how much goes into an urban garden. Though it may be small, it is mighty. And don't forget to leave me a comment down in the comments section. I am happy to answer any of your questions, and I love talking to you all. So don't forget, everyone, until then, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.